these are meant for like muddy.
Just out of the box to do even anything. Nothing. I mean, see, it's so fast. So you need better motor. Like right away. It's jumpy, man. It's jumpy like a taxi.
The speed, right?
Yeah. Yeah. What do you call it? Axial, and it's Stampede. And it's not even nowhere near meant for cars. You could do better. Out of the box, you could do anything. You could do better. Now let's go on this climb. Try to show people that say Stampede could do almost whatever you guys can do. I'll give you a push. See? Even you need speed. Can go through that. Go, go, go. See, it was flipped. I didn't mind it flip yet. I go easier off. Yeah, I want to go through. Wow, look at that jump. And then I'm going to go again. Jump. Yeah, you will see you do that. Yeah, right. Big jump. So seriously, like axial, it got popular. I mean, just because of the look of it, the scale of it, but it's really useful for what? Just for the name. And red cat can do crawling. This thing in the middle, that can't do nothing. Go down and again come back up. Because down is nothing. Speed has messed it up. That's why I think on that axial you need higher torque motor.
That's why they modify it to higher torque.
If you got to modify it from day one, what's the point, right?
Yeah.
All right, come up, come up. Look, I can do it twice. Why are you doing it one time? Don't mind? Stampede, you could speed it up and then it will just flip on its own. Something Axial can't do, and Red Cat is pretty good at it though.